Let's go through this tunnel. Walking in a field. It's totally pitch black, so you probably can't see a damn thing. Look, there's the top of a mountain, and there's the moon.
How about the fire there?
Can you see a fire there? So slightly. In the dark. It's just after midday. We're supposed to be going into Link. To do what, we don't yet know. And this cat is hiding in the grass. Because you can never do too much shopping. Have a look at the funny names for cereals you know and love. Frosties are called Frosties. Choco Krispies? What the hell is that all about? And what the hell is a honey bizz pop? Any idea? Toppers? Very old. How about some Cinny Minis? Cookie Crisp is the same. But my particular favourite is Special Flakes. They put on them. Right. Today's lazy day. So now that it's 3:30, we've decided to come up to Ifigulp, which is up that road there and round the corner. There we are. See, it's a nice little waterfall. Nice and gentle and calm, and I'm absolutely joking, it's not, it's that. I think we can walk up there. Whether we will is a matter to be seen. Just having a look at the waterfall. Very small man, very large waterfall. So we're at the top. This is Ifigulp above the waterfall. And there's some sort of cable car contraption up there, which is not open at the moment, I don't believe. And this is the Berghaus cum cafe, which is of course where we're going. In Link, by the tourist office. Looking at some wabbits. And some goats. Tiny wabbits. And a plastic cow.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, thanks.
Are you filming?
Yes.
Oh, that's really nice. You can't show that to anyone.
That's the Alpen glow developing on the hillside.
A bit of distant yodeling.
Yes. Alex is back there in the chalet somewhere in the middle of the frame. We're going up and round. I was going to say good morning, But those church bells signify midday. So good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Are we going to have a grand filming of this? You know, a grand...
A grand what?
Well, we've come round to queue and you provide us with...
Oh, I have to provide sustenance and then everyone gets to see the film that I've also had to provide. Brilliant. Somewhere in there is some walking stick maintenance currently occurring. I haven't heard any sawing, so that's probably a good sign. That's where we're going. However, that is not working. So we're waiting for the bus. Yes, there is a bus. It goes up to that bit, kind of there in the middle, and then it goes further up. I don't know if you can see it, so up here-ish. So that's where we shall be going in just a moment. Currently waiting for the bus. We're the only people waiting for the bus. Transfer. We're now going from the bus to the chairlift, which are chairs on a lift.
They said 1958 on them, I think.
I don't think that was the last time we did it. I think they were egg boxes until about 1993.
Yeah.
This is the view. It's very nice.
Is this the one we did in Thunderstorm?
No, that's Vita Minette, which is that one over there.
That big jagged tooth.
Yeah. Some bobbles. There we go. This is the valley behind Le Bray. There's a good zip wire here. Starts here.
They're off that way now.
And it goes down that wire all the way to there. For 10 Swiss francs, you get to risk your life. Sounds good. Okay, we're off. It's exactly 2 o'clock. And this is the top of Le Bray. No, all things considered, I mean, it doesn't sound great, but it is. It's better than you think. We're going off that way. Can you see Alex down there? There's a white blob moving towards the path. This is our head scout. And round here, we have the forest elders. We've come down quite a steep bit down there. We're looking for someone to have lunch because it's 2:45 now, which, as everyone knows, is lunchtime. Right.
Really good because it was slightly tongue-in-cheek.
We've had lunch here in this spot,
I can recognise one of the actors, but I
and now we're heading off to continue our walk. 3:10. Well, I say continuing. Look at the pace. Right, the original path would have gone up that road, but due to it being 25 to 4, we've decided to go down the road, which might seem sensible if you're coming down a mountain. We're going to go the slightly more scenic route, but slightly steeper. Down here into the woods. Coming down the road. A bit lower down. The sound of something mewing. Can you hear that? Don't know what it is. Identify, please. Well, we're just about to turn off on that road there and walk along the river towards the end. So far we've seen an eagle and a couple of chamois, which I suppose are technically deer, so that does mean we need the deer alarm. Just have to show you this. It's quite subtle. See if you can see it behind me. Yes! It's an enormous bloody great cliff and a waterfall. And it's quite chilly in here. It looks kind of fantastical. No easy way of getting over there, unfortunately. Wow. Well, technically we finished the walk, but we went to try and go buy some mushrooms at the co-op. But there is no co-op. It's vanished. Someone has stolen an entire supermarket from right under our noses. How rude.